So this book, the journey of this book started this year itself, in April, when we had planned a webinar for parents on the World Autism Day, that is 2nd April. And while I was preparing for that webinar, it dawned upon me that there is so much to share with the parents, and yet there is no one place where these parents can find all the information at one place. I'm an MD Pediatrics, and I have an experience of nearly 18 years of treating autistic kids. And so, day in and day out, I witness those challenges that parents have. Despite the internet being filled with so much information, what I find is that the parents are often clueless about what therapies are available, what is the scope of which treatment, which kind of therapy they need to take, what supplements they need to take, what kind of homeopathy they need to take. Is there any blood test available? Do they need to go for speech therapy? Do they need to go for audiometry? Do they need to get an MRI done? What is the probable prognosis? And a myriad of questions. What diet to follow? What specific GFCF diet to follow, or keto diet to follow, or so many other variations are available. So the parents are often bewildered with the range of decisions they need to make, and the limitation of all that information being provided to them succinctly and in a well researched way. So I found this was a lacuna in our literature related to autism, and from therein the journey started, where I felt that I should compile a book, which should not just be focusing on homeopathy, because I practice as a homeopath. So it was easy for me to write a book on homeopathy, but I wanted to write a book on a much wider perspective. So I started compiling all the questions that the parents have related to autism. So I created a list of, say, 200 questions, and then I filtered which ones were the most pertinent, which ones were the most important, and from therein I started answering those questions, and that resulted in this book, Autism Asha.